Hello, friends. We shall take the next HR question. Can you work under pressure? Now, this question is very important. Why HR is asking this question? All companies have workload. Now, if company is there, what is the role of chairman or the managing director of the company? If, for example, one task is there, it requires 30 days to complete for 4 people to work continuously to complete the task so that the company can earn 50,000 rupees. Now, what the chairman or MD does, they assign the same task. They assign the same task to only 3 people and ask them to complete in 25 days. This creates nothing but work pressure. It creates work pressure. Why the most of the time the work pressure is created? Because to earn more money. My honey, to earn more money, money is the problem. That's why now the company was making 50,000 rupees by employing 4 people for 30 days. Now the company want to make 1 lakh rupees by employing only 3 people and asking them to complete in 25 days. That's why the work pressure is created. Now when the work pressure is created, what your boss will do? Your boss, what he will do? He will have to take work from the team of 3 people. He will apply his own management funda, what he has learned in his life. First, either he can give good amount of incentive so that the 3 people will work with complete heart. If he has got a good heart, he will give you more incentive in terms of finance or monetary terms. Second funda what he can apply is to emotionally motivate you. Emotionally motivate you. And the third funda is that he will apply stress, mental stress, that I want this job done at any cost. At any cost. This criteria is seen by many bosses which work in the industry. They apply such a high level of stress that they want the employees to do the task assigned as soon as possible. And because of this stress, what happens is that many of the employees leave the job. They leave the job because they are not able to handle that stress. So that is why the HR is asking the question, can you work under pressure? Can you work under pressure? Now what it requires to handle the pressure? It requires the quality. Quality of what? Quality of listening. Quality of listening. Quality of convincing. This is not seen in many of the employees. Quality of listening is very important because if you are able to listen to your boss, then your job is always available to you. You will stick to your job and you will never become jobless. If you have convincing power that why you are not able to complete your job in the duration assigned to you by your boss, then only you can handle the work pressure. Always there are situations. Tackling is very important. To tackle the work, to tackle the work pressure, how much stress to take, how much stress to give, that is very important. If you are able to handle that, then it's good. There are few techniques also where I can suggest you that by doing yoga, regular exercises, or by doing karate, or the physical ability, that will automatically reduce your stress. Okay, the stress can be reduced. In this way, you can handle work pressure. The people who can handle work pressure will only get the job. So, better give the positive answer, because the positive answer is expected always. Thank you so much for listening. Stay tuned to my next video.